Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the FPV Crate from GetFPV for the month of October. It's a monthly subscription box. If you don't know what this is, it's like Quad Box or Drone Drop. It's just one of these monthly service subscription boxes. Let's get in the box and see what we got. This month the box is pretty light, and let's take a peek. All right, we have our thank you. Some pretty cool stickers. This was the logo on last month's t-shirt. Pretty cool looking stickers. I like that. Got the usual packing material. We have a Lumineer Axie 2 antenna with a MMCX connector. This is the like the 3-inch one, so not the stubby, but pretty nice antenna. I really like these. I actually kind of need one, so this is cool. Next in the box is a Cadex camera, Turbo Micro F2. Actually, I don't know anything about this camera. Pretty cool looking camera. It looks a lot like the Runcam Racer. It looks like, you can see right inside of there. You can see right there, that looks like a microphone. So this is going to have, so it's 5 to 40 volts, ground, video, OSD, and audio. But yeah, that looks like a condenser mic right inside of there. So that's pretty cool. I'll have to look up some of the specs on this. It's a 4.3 camera. I don't know if it's a CMOS or CCD camera, but Cadex makes some pretty decent stuff. Most of the cameras I get from them are pretty durable. They work really well, but usually got to pull the lens off and clean all the shmoo out from underneath there. So pretty cool. Got a FPV camera. Have a Rush Tank VTX. These are really good VTXs. They have a 20 by 20 VTX out right now. The Rush Tank Light VTX that's out now is really, really nice. So this mounts to a 30 by 30 stack. These are excellent VTXs. Probably one of my favorites on the market right now. Mostly because of the mounting solution. It's 7 to 25 volts, so it'll work up to 6S. Has a 5 volt output like most VTXs do. Has TBS Smart Audio. Uses a MMCX connector right here. I don't believe these have a onboard microphone, but if you've got a FPV camera with an onboard microphone, then we're pretty much good to go. Great VTX, very good VTX. It's pretty thin too. Let's see. Four and a half millimeters thick. Pretty thin. Pretty good VTX. I really like these. Very happy with that. In the box, looks like a cable for it. Let's see, we've got 3 props. These are the Hurricane 51 466 by 3 gem fans. Interesting prop. It'd be interesting to try these out. I really do like getting the random assortment of props. So these are pretty thin blade. They're pretty soft. They are Popo compatible, so pretty good props. It's always fun to try different props out. So that is what's in the box. And last thing, they give you the usual coupon card. So this is 50% off your entire order at Brain FPV. Here you go. Here's your coupon code. Go for it. Have at it, because I'm not ordering anything from anybody as far as 3D prints go. So pretty good value in the box. Here's the price breakdown. It's kind of nice of them to do this for you. So you're definitely getting your money's worth out of this box if all these items are things that you could use. Who couldn't use a VTX, a camera, and an antenna right there alone? That's pretty good value. Set of props. I mean, it's always nice to try different props. So anyways, that is the GetFPV FPV crate for the month of October. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe if you like what I'm doing here. If you want to keep seeing these unboxings of this this monthly subscription service, I'd greatly appreciate it if you'd leave some comments down below. Tell me what you think of the products here. Let me know if you have any experience with this Caddx camera. This is a new one for me. I'm gonna have to take a deeper dive into this one. I've never seen them include the microphone on the camera in this micro size. I've seen the full size cameras have that, but never the small ones. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.